Bertot builds components on demand with a fully automated manufacturing process, from the client's request to the design of the die, pressing, and mechanical finishing operations. The manufacturing cycle starts in a technical office, where the drawings supplied by the client is engineered. The design process draws on the most advanced modeling and 3D simulation programs. This is how the model of the finished piece and of the related die are developed. And the pressing of the part itself is simulated. Pressing simulation allows every aspect of the deformation to be calculated and perfected, rationalizing times and costs and guaranteeing high quality standards. The same standards that Bertot respects at every stage of the manufacturing cycle to elaborate the tool process, to create the die using the latest generation CNC machines, for the final pressing of the part, and for any mechanical finishing operations carried out in the appropriate department. Bertot is therefore able to deliver the ordered part, respecting the customer's needs in full and in double quick time.